How to use the TikTok Studio Editor. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can use the new TikTok Studio Editor. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. After opening your TikTok application, select the plus icon on the bottom of your screen, after which your posting dashboard will open up. There you need to select an option called Upload. It is located at the right hand side. After that, you can select the photos and videos that you want to have edited. Then simply press the next option. After you do so, the editing prompt will open up. There you need to select an option called Edit. It is located on the top right corner. It works just as same as the video editor. You can edit it, you can split it and adjust it, replace it, delete it, select the speed. You can also add sounds, texts, you can also load transitions onto it, and you can also add effects onto it, overlays, as well as sync the sounds. Also, you can add such filters and effects. You can also replace them. You can also crop them, rotate them, as well as add voice effects. After you're done with your edit, select the next option on the top right corner and then select next again. After that, you can upload it or you can add it to your story or you can even save it to your draft. Also, you can select all of these options and select the auto cut option, which will edit the videos for yourself by adding cool transitions as well as effects and filters. Also, it will add its own music as well. And there you go. That is how you can use the new TikTok Studio Editor. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.